Hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sydney, and if you're new, then welcome. So you guys, today I'm gonna be bringing you my skincare routine. Now, my skin type, I have like combination skin. I have dry and oily skin, so I specifically use products that are for combination skin. Don't mind my eyebrows, they're horrible. I don't really have any like active bumps. I have like this scar right here, and I have like these two pimples, but it's the time of the month, so that's expected. And FYI, I don't wear makeup like often. I don't remember the last time I wore makeup. I only wear it when I like, if it's a special occasion. But yeah, I don't really wear makeup, so I just thought I should tell y'all. So to begin my skincare routine, I cleanse my face, and the cleanser that I use from Neutrogena is bomb. I've been using it for like a couple of years now. The oil-free acne wash, pink grapefruit foaming scrub. It looks like this. I'm almost out. I have to get some more, but I love this stuff. I wet my face if you can't tell, but I'm just gonna take the cleanser, and it looks like this. You can't really see it, but it's like pink clearish, and I take that, rub it all on my face. I can't really talk while I'm doing this, so that's why I'm not talking, but yeah, so I just cleanse my face. I'm gonna go rinse this out, you guys, and I'm gonna come back and show you the next step. So I've washed off my cleanser. Now I'm gonna take this olive and tea tree cleansing oil. I got this from Urban Hydration. Oh, it's bomb, y'all. I love this oil. It works so good, and I think it's because of the tea tree oil. It's specifically for fighting acne and disinfecting your pores, addressing acne scars and soothing blemishes, and it does its job. Like, I swear, this is like my fave. Like, whenever I have a pimple like forming, I use this stuff twice a day, morning and night, and y'all, like, it goes away like in like a day. Like, I swear, this stuff is so bomb. It's like so bomb. So I'm gonna apply this, and I'll come back to y'all and let y'all see what it looks like. And before I use it, you have to wet your face, so that's what I just want to do. So now I'm gonna just add it. It's an oil, so it's like very slippery, and I should be using like one of those cotton pads, but I don't have those, so I just apply it with my fingertips, and I just rub it in. And I tend to focus more on where my acne scars and my acne is, because I want the product to do its job. So that's what I'll do. And I add as much as I need, you know. I don't want to add too much because I don't want to overdo it, but I add just as much as I need. This stuff is bomb. It smells like tea tree oil, but it's not strong at all, and it works so good, I'm telling y'all. After I've rubbed all that in, I'm gonna now go rinse it, and my next step is usually a mask. I don't do mask every day because it can be harsh on your skin, and it's just not good for you to do a mask every day. So I do this maybe like once a week, twice a week, you know, when I really need it to. And the first one I have is the aloe gel facial mask. It's also from Urban Hydration. It's so good. This is what it looks like. You can't really see it's clear, but it looks like aloe gel. It smells like aloe gel, works really well. The charcoal with mud facial mask, this one is like my fave. It just makes your skin so soft when you use it. I actually think I'm gonna use this one because it feels so good. I'm gonna just put this on right quick for y'all to see. It looks like this if I haven't showed y'all. So you guys, my mask is on. I know I look crazy, but this is what it looks like on the face. So I'm gonna leave this on 15 minutes, and I'll come back to y'all when the 15 minutes are up. So you guys, I'm back. I washed the mask off my face. So soft, and it doesn't feel that dry. Next up, I'm gonna add moisturizer. I do this all the time. I always put moisturizer because, like I said, my skin is sometimes dry. So the moisturizer that I'm using is Pond's Dry Skin Cream. It's the blue top. It looks like this. I got it from Walmart. For I moisturize, my lips are like dry. I don't know, y'all probably can't tell, but they are. So I'm gonna just take some lip oil from Ulta that I got, and I'm just gonna put that on my lips, because you know your lips are part of your face, so that counts as skincare, boo. Okay, take my moisturizer, And I'm gonna just moisturize my face. This is like my favorite part, y'all, I swear, because your face just feels so moisturized and soft. And it does have a white cast, but that goes away. And sometimes this makes my face like look oily, but you know, some people like that look, you know, that oily, like healthy, glowing look. I like it sometimes, but you know, sometimes it can be like overdoing it. Moisturizer doesn't really do that to me. It does its job. Like I said, it's moisturizing, and it doesn't do too much. So that's why this video. That's my skincare routine in a nutshell. I don't use that many products, but you know, I'll try to start, you know, getting more into the serums and stuff like that. But yeah, if you enjoyed, give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't already, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.